Good morning, good morning, good afternoon. Good afternoon to everyone. This is surely the best, the Forex King himself. So, today's chart, we're just basically going to do some small analysis on a few pairs. Just get the week started. I had a rough day yesterday, Monday. Actually did not follow my plan, so that's why I had a rough day. I had a long on GBP hit my stop loss. I also saw a nice bearish formation from the same pair. Nice break and retest of the same pair. Did not take the position. Why? Because I was afraid and because I was not following my plan. So that is what happens if you don't follow your plan. So I'm having quite the zone right there on the daily time frame. We're definitely seeing more bearish momentum on this currency pair, Euro USD. First part being a nice high. I always like marking the chart up just to see where exactly I am looking, what exactly I'm looking at. So this is a nice lower high and a continuation towards the downside, a nice lower low, a slight exhaustion, if I might add. This exhaustion is not that beautiful, but if we do pull out our Fibonacci retracement, we can see this is a nice, or it's a reasonable fib pullback. Yes, because it's a nice 38.2 exhaustion. That means yes, definitely price is still bearish. So this is a 38.2 exhaustion, 38.2 on the daily. Definitely looking forward to the continuation towards the downside. So now this is the area I'm looking at. I'm looking to continue shorting. So what are we seeing on the H4 time frame? Basically on the H4 time frame, we can just add up just a few more areas where we might call them, where we might say we are getting more price action, more price movement, where we would expect to see prices exhaust to continue. Yeah, so those are the areas I'm seeing price come to. So I don't think this is a quite that bad position, but our risk management is off. Our risk management is off. This is over 41 pip. I'm going to place this trade on a 10K account. So let's just do a quick calculation. Risk calculator. 40 pip stop loss is a huge stop loss. I actually had the chance to take this position earlier. I was on Instagram. Big mistake. As you can see, account balance 10K. Risk percentage 1% is okay. Stop loss 40. Calculate Euro USD. Yes, calculate. So I'm going to put in 0.25 lots on this position. As we also saw, there's no news. So if I'm doing that kind of entry, not a short, I'm placing a short position since we are seeing more bearish momentum on the daily. It looks like a nice at least price to go back to its previous. Can do that 5. Going down to the even lower time frames, we can see what's going on. I think this risk reward ain't that bad. That's okay. That is okay. 1:1.9. That's basically a 1:2. So let's just expect price to even drop further. More exhaustions and a continuation maybe towards the downside. See this continuation, nice break, maybe a retest, and maybe a final push towards the downside. So I'm gonna place this position on Euro USD. No, I'm not liking this exhaustion. but we are seeing a head and shoulder formation here. So I think we're still on the right track. I still think we're good. I still think we're good. Yes, I still think we're good. We're good. We're good. Since it was at 8.2 exhausted on the daily time frame, we can afford just a few more pips worth of pushing. I'm going to execute this position instead of doing a 0.25. Yeah, I'm going to do 0.25. So what amount am I looking to lose? 100 bucks. So not that bad, not that bad. Okay, profit 1812. Stop loss at 1.920. And we are in. I also was looking at the Euro NZD USD over no NZD card. Actually saw a nice it was on the daily, so it left us. Yeah, so I'm not enjoying this kind of really moved position. So I don't know, we might even get a scalp from this position itself. Let's see if we still have more bearish momentum to continue with this position. Yeah, so I always think analyzing the higher time frame is better than doing lower time frame analysis. So it's just my preference. I'm not really seeing anything past this. No supply level, no demand level. Previous demand was all the way back here. So it's in a pretty strong daily demand. So are we really looking for the break below, or are we looking for that bounce? Let's see. On the higher time frame, yes, we do see it's a continuation towards the downside. We're having more confluences when it comes down to a nice bearish move. We're seeing break of below this, showing us a close of candles, very good indication of a nice break. We're also seeing a bearish pressure. We took this our previous high and here at 8.2 exhaustion, so still very strong bearish move, but I'm not really sure on where it's going to. The last point at this level, I'm not really sure I'm going to get into this position. Bitcoin finally back to 51k, very strong exhaustion, if I might add. Very strong exhaustion, very strong push down, extremely strong breaking this Elliott wave analysis, because on Elliott this should not come back to one. So let's delete that. But we are seeing a nice bearish, a nice exhaustion back to, what do we call it? Structure low, a nice bullish price action right there. So yes, Bitcoin is still very much bullish. We might see a push back to around 67k USD. Let's wait for that. Euro USD, we just went through it just a few minutes ago. This was also another mistake I had made. I'm needing to clear all that on this one as well. I had a clean entry yesterday night, clean entry at around this price here, target here, and here for that scalp. Did not take, took the position, got out early. I mean, yesterday was just a crazy day. It was just a crazy day. So maybe on gold. It's been a minute since I did an analysis on gold. I think it would be right for us to just go through gold a bit. Gold is a very beautiful pair, but also can also mess you up. So yeah, strong daily low. So in a strong level, yeah, very strong level there in the daily time frame. H4, let's see what we are seeing. Very nice, beautiful price action actually on gold. Oh, very nice, very nice, very nice. I would say gold is looking beautiful today. We might just see a drop all the way to at least this strong demand area on the H4 time frame. And you can just add this level there. We put it as green. Just to understand what we're looking at here, we're seeing a very nice push face, nice exhaustion on the daily time frame. We're seeing price bouncing from this area, very nice exhaustion, and we might just see another drop on gold. So I am also going to place a gold short. Very strong bearish momentum at this level, so might just get a better price action on the lower time frames. Information, very nice. What do we call this? Evening star close this. So this kind of close below confirms it. Okay, I think gold does not look as bad as well for that short. So let's see our kind of price action, our kind of risk management here on gold. Minus to 1.5. What kind of exhaustion phase is this? Are we still looking for a strong push phase, or are we just there? So yes, on gold, I don't think they usually have gold in here. There is a special calculator for gold. A special calculator for gold. Yes, there is a special calculator for gold. Uh, so this. So how many pips? Oh, so yes, gold. I don't know why this calculator is not actually the best position calculator. Yes. Open price, yes, this is an easier one. 1778.01. $1784.65. Account balance $10,000. 1 cent, no, 0.8 cent. It's okay. Yeah, so 84.65. This is take profit 64.24. Yes, so thank you for this live, for this recording. I'm going to post this later with the results. So stay tuned. Talk to you guys later, and goodbye for now. So bye bye.